We're here at the AMB Beach Volleyball 7.0, meaning this is a 7th year running and going strong. And of course, we have the provincial government, especially the Locos Norte Sports Development Office with Ma'am Helen and Fibo assisting us, and the provincial engineering office. And our local officials, they're all here from Badok, Inili, Corimao, Banna, and some more officials coming. And I am very happy that this is the 7th year running, and we are looking for ways and means that this will continue. Agtuntuloy dito ya po, aging ganat after 2028. I think a foundation will be handling this if I am not a congressman anymore, and if I am not in an elected position anymore. So we are looking for ways and means to put up a foundation together with our loyal sponsors and of course Sambol representation.
Nagsimula tong AMB hanggang AMB Beach Volleyball hanggang ngayon, sir. Ang dami nang na-discover na mga sir.
Ang namamayagpag ngayon is Miss Zarina Ramos of the JRU Lady Spikers. Nakita niyo sa Facebook, and she was one of those who was playing. But during umpisa pa lang, andito na siya. And recruit na nga ng JRU. And we also have, we can ask Ma'am Helen regarding those who were recruited by the different universities and colleges. Yung mga lalaki naman. Alam ko meron sa Letran, meron sa Adamson and others. And Binir.
Kung ano po yung naging
It was way back 2018. It was a very, we were in one of the beaches here. Nagbakasyon kami. Kasama ko yung pamangkin ko, si Sandra Fillones, the sister of Paulo. Yung nephew ko, pamangkin ko nga, dalawa. Out of the blue, dahil nagbabalibol siya. Since grade school, she was already a member of the high school team as an alternate. Grade school pa lang siya. So she told me, Uncle Ange, why not start the beach volleyball tournament? Alam niyo man ako, why not? Yun na. And then, when I studied the game, nakita ko kung gaano kaganda yung laro. And nakita ko rin na hindi naman sa ayoko ng indoor volleyball. Yung beach volleyball, it is easier to handle. Na makita niyo yung mga bata, na mamanage ng mga local officials yung bata, ito konti lang sila. Dadalawa, 4 lang. And the coaches, kilala rin sila. The schools, kilala rin sila. So, alam nila, and they can take care of them. Kaya, yun na. Doon na nag-umpisa. Hanggat nalaman na ng mga sponsors natin, tumulong na rin sila. So I am very, very grateful that this is the 7th year and it is growing strong.